I think we're ready to open this event. Hello and welcome to the annual Global Power Platform Bootcamp, an exciting day with deep dive sessions, hands-on labs, and intensive workshops. Thanks for being part of this experience. I am your host, Clifton Lena, but just say Clifton, that's okay with me. And I'm not doing this alone. I'm joined by my co-hosts, Frederik Bisbach and Tim Govaert. Um, and we are honored to represent the Belgian Power Addicts. If you would like to know more about us, please visit our website. Today is an exciting day full of deep dive sessions. I already said it, hands-on labs, intensive workshops. So to ensure a smooth experience, take note of the housekeeping rules. Keep in mind that this is an open, friendly community welcoming everyone, no matter their race, background, or beliefs. So let's keep the friendly atmosphere in here. This is all about community. To make this an interactive experience, don't hesitate to ask questions when it's time to speak, unmute yourselves, and if possible, not required, turn on your camera. And last but not least, use meeting reactions when appropriate. We also would like an extra shout out to our sponsors because without them, this event would not be possible. Take note of them and visit their website. You can find the links to their website by visiting the sponsor section on our main site, poweraddicts.be. Now, let's give a warm welcome to today's speakers for their effort participating in this event. We're eagerly looking forward to what they have in store for us today.